Good morning, my amazing family on Facebook. This is another wonderful Monday with a beautiful update. Sequence to my previous video, which I predicted that for me, I will remain bullish. That is, my bias for BTC is still on the uptrend, provided that BTC remain above this trend line, which it has struggled to break above for how many years? For almost 3 to 4 years. And it finally broke out the last 2 weeks. Then the previous week, which is last week, it consolidates, using it as a means of retest. Then I now predicted that if the new candlestick form above this trend line, then I will remain bullish and I'll be looking at BTC to hit a new all-time high of 140,000, 160,000 and above. And I also quote that this my analysis or my bias will be invalidated if a new weekly candlestick, which is the candlestick that form around 1 am today, form below 115,000 in dollars. But all and behold, today's weekly candlestick that form by 1 am form above 117,000, which make my bias seem very much valid. Let me expand the chart for more clarification. This is it. This is the new weekly candlestick, this green one. This red one was last week weekly candlestick that retest it. Then the next thing, we are looking at the uptrend. That is my bias. Now this is the weekly candlestick. Now moving it down to 4 hours. On the 4 hours chart, BTC is in a symmetrical triangle. This is a symmetrical triangle. BTC is still ranging. Each time e hit resistance level, e bounce to the support, hit the resistance, bounce to support, hit the resistance, bounce to support. Now it's currently trying to break out of this symmetrical triangle. Once e break out like this, then e come back and retest. The next move will be 123,000 in dollars, followed by 126 and 120. That is on a lower time frame. But the higher time frame is still very much confirmed that BTC is an uptrend, since the weekly candlestick form above 117,000 in dollars. This is my bias. But fundamental or manipulation could change this. But for my chart, this is what my chart is communicating to me. So, and we should browse up to make more dollars in our pocket.